Hello friends, today I wanted to do a short video of how I turned this bottle that I found at the recycle center into this lush vertical garden of lettuces. Okay, so like I said, I found this at the recycle center, and it had a cap that I'd taken off because obviously I need to fill it with soil. And then I cut these inverted U uh, like this, about 6 of them at various intervals. So I didn't cut the plastic out because I wanted to leave a little flap. So when you cut it like this, there is a little flap that comes out and it helps to support the seedling. Because when I planted these were little plants, not such big ones. And then I filled it up with potting mix. I didn't go for any formula or anything. I just bought the store-bought potting mix. And I had to use a newspaper cone because it's got such a small opening. And I wanted to leave this like this instead of cutting a bigger hole, which would have made it easier for me to fill it, because I wanted this handle. So it is easy to carry with the handle on, and also I can hang it somewhere if I want to outside my kitchen or something. So once I had cut all the flaps, I started to fill it with soil, and once it had reached about the bottom this much, I added some sheep pellets because I didn't have any horse manure, cow manure, or fresh sheep manure. So I just filled it with, added some sheep pellets, and then because the seedlings were quite small, then I could just push it in and then fill it some more with soil and just tamp it down. So I kept doing this until I reached the next level, and then added sheep pellets, and then I did it until it reached this level, and then I added soil until it came to the top. So that is how I planted the seedlings. Now you'll notice, if you not sure if you can see, it has got a black covering, because it's not good to have soil exposed to the sunshine because of all the algae buildup. So I had some black plastic from some
No.
postage, from some courier bags. They're actually courier bags, which I didn't throw. I just kept them, uh, and then I just stuck them using black sticky tape. So even that is recycled. I didn't want to put paint on it because paint is also, in my opinion, not very eco-friendly. But if you don't have anything like this, you can use paint. If you have any leftover paint, that would be even better. And so this one is about a month and a half old. So they grew from little seedlings to such big ones. Now I can start harvesting them. And yeah, this is how I built this vertical lettuce garden. I originally had thought of planting strawberries because strawberries are better in hanging baskets. But then I had these lettuces and I thought, okay, let me try lettuce. You can also plant herbs or strawberries or anything, or even flowers that look good hanging. Uh, yeah, so that's how I made this hanging vertical veggie fruit flower garden.